Hey everyone! Want to connect your phone's internet to your PC through a USB cable? Let's start. First, you need to connect your phone and PC through a USB cable. My PC is successfully connected. I have shifted the phone camera to screen recording. Here I have a screencast of mobile on that PC. For an internet connection, your mobile data must be on. Now go to phone settings. Search USB tethering. Select it. Turn it on. You can see my Wi-Fi has gone and my mobile internet has successfully connected. If you connect the first time, your PC will ask for permission. Make sure to click Yes. I am also turning off my Wi-Fi. My PC is connected to my phone's internet through USB. It's time to test the internet. Your internet speed depends upon your mobile data speed. And that's it. If you found this useful, make sure to give like and subscribe to my channel.